Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, look at that. He's driving on air. Okay, a little glitch. I guess it's a glitch. I don't know. Because whenever you push him back with the Rocket Voltaic, come back. Wait, I don't know if you have to be a distance. Look, he's in the ground. He's in the ground right. Yep. Do it to the cop car. Do it. Woo! Oh gosh. Where'd he go? Where'd the? Oh, he's down there. Why is that car?
Look at the black car.
What?
What?
What? Boom!
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, look at that. He's driving on air. What? Hack? You are a hacker in NPC. Is it working now? Oh my god, you see that down there? Look! He's bouncing up and down. This is a little thing, I guess I want to give credit to Trevor for doing this, but I happen to be with him, and it's a little glitch, a pushback glitch on a hill. I guess this is the only place it works. What do you think?
Yeah. Maybe it'll work with other hills, but we've only found it with this hill so far.
Right. The muscle cars work the best.
Get close when they come flying up.
He
just flipped upside down.
Yeah, or that. There's another muscle car. That would work. Oh, hey, you're just flying on the air. Oh my god.
What? What?
Look at this mess you done caused, Trevor. Hey, lady. Want to get blown away? Bye, lady. You hit her so hard she no, there she is down there. What is she doing?
Trying to turn around, come back up.
Okay.
But hits the car.
3, 2, 1, blast off. Well, he was like denied. Oh, you got denied. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, he's floating. He's floating. What kind of glitches is this? What?
We are filming this. So what you talking about, lady?
Oh my god. What? What? He left, but dude, that was sick.
Here he comes. Coming. Right there.
Oh, driving on air. Oh my. Whoa, what in the world? He did some hops.
Now that we're playing the game.
Ah! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh.
Floating.
Here he comes.
And there he goes.
Oh! He saved it. He floated, twisted, and saved it, man. They got skill. Stay right here, don't move.
Should've did that Mustang.
Go.
Bye.
Oh, what? What?
Yeah, no, this isn't gonna go very well.
Whoa. Oh my god, what in the world? Come on, bro. I call hacks. Oh.
Come back here.
Oh my god. Bobby. Oh my god.
Here's a perfect car.
Whoa. Yeah. That happened.
Wait, what? Oh, he's floating.
Yeah. I don't know what it is about interested about playing with this, but dude, who does this? Us?
I on a day-to-day basis.
Oh, this is a witchcraft. Dude, here he comes. I'm gonna get right here. I'm trusting. Ooh. He got out.
I was gonna boost him out.
Yeah.
Did
Oh, that hurt.
I hit you?
Yeah.
Yes, finally.
He didn't do nothing. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Wow, that done skidibbled and dabbled me in the face, yo.
Yeah, I get the cops again.
You're always getting caught.